Shenzhen, China's city of science and technology, the city of speed, is where Gvtong Company was born, developed and grew. Shenzhen Gvtong Electronic Technology Co., Limited, was established in 2010. It focuses on the design and manufacture of connectors, precision injection molding, soft and hard connection wiring harness products, non-standard customized parts and other connection products. It is mainly used in automotive high and low voltage charging and battery replacement systems, as well as industrial control chargers, energy storage, photovoltaics and other industries. The company has introduced advanced intelligent management systems such as ERPM and ASCRM. It has won the National High-Tech Enterprise ISO 900114001113 for 85 IF 169 for 9 and other system certifications, providing one-stop solutions from R&D and production to customized products. From appropriate market demand to rigorous scientific research and development, Gvtong has never slackened, constantly achieved self-breakthroughs, automated production, greatly increased production capacity, and ensured product quality. With more than 10 years of industry experience and exploration, we have grasped the development trend of new energy and other industries, reduced costs and increased efficiency, and developed rapidly. We have become a trusted partner of customers. Gvtong is people-oriented and never forgets its original intention. It takes environmental protection and social science and technology development as its own responsibility and contributes its own strength. We continue to promote product innovation and have established a research and development team with doctoral students as the backbone. We insist on pursuing high quality and building a perfect quality management system. We insist on pursuing high quality, building a perfect quality management system, and establishing a national CNAS laboratory, ensuring product stability and promoting product updates and iterations are the foundation of our foothold and the driving force of our development. At Gvtong, we are sincere and pragmatic, forming a strategic cooperation alliance with customers. Gvtong will work hand in hand with you to create a better future.